this quiet blue room, thick with contemplation, as if the walls themselves carry the weight of unshed tears. The deep enveloping blue is a deliberate expression of a state of mind, a tribute to Picasso's blue period, born from personal grief and a world viewed through a lens of sorrow. In 1901, Picasso lost his dear friend, Carlos Casagemas, a fellow artist, who took his own life in a tragic moment of despair. This loss shook Picasso to his core, and from it emerged a period in which his canvases were drenched in blues of sadness, poverty, and human suffering. As I start laying down the ground tones and values, notice how the warm yellows and cool blues blend to create the subtle greens in the mid-tones of the wall and the floor. This interplay of color pays homage to both Picasso's use of abstraction and Vincent van Gogh's vibrant emotional strokes. It's a fusion of two distinct characters, yet united in the exploration of light and form, guiding how the scene takes the shape. And yet there is something more. Where Picasso's blue conveys isolation, Van Gogh's yellow embodies connection, warmth of the sun, the promise of tomorrow. As the light filters through the window, it will transform a part of the wall as the scene develops. It highlights the delicate balance between light and dark, joy and sorrow. While Picasso painted the depths of human despair during this time, Van Gogh painted the hope that comes after. The light now streaming into this blue room, reflecting the shift of melancholy to the possibility of something brighter. In this painting, I try to bring homage to these two great artists through the use of yellow and blue. The blues represent Picasso's profound sadness after Casagemas' death, whereas the yellows represent Van Gogh's search for light amidst his suffering. Both of them wrestled with deep emotions, and both found in their art a way to communicate that struggle. Where one found comfort in blue, the other found it in yellow. Together, these elements coexist in this space, colors clashing and complementing, each representing a different facet of the human experience. As I start painting a yellow chair, something quickly becomes clear. It is not painted with precision. The edges blur, the lines falter, as though the structure is unsure of itself. It is imperfect, much like the human spirit. This chair, a symbol of support, carries with it the weight of brokenness, something we all experience at some stage in life, even as we lean on things that are meant to support us. It's a beacon of warmth, a testament to the fragility of life. In our imperfections, we still stand, offering comfort where we can. The yellow flowers on the windowsill symbolize growth and life, reaching toward the light, full of energy and potential. With the light streaming through the window now, you will notice a shift. Deep reds begin to emerge on the back wall. This creates a dramatic contrast to the calming blue and serves as a way to express something more energetic and urgent beneath the cool blue stillness. The sunlight from the window, touching both plant and chair, acts as a bridge between these two worlds. The chair static but steady, the plant growing and alive. Together they speak of the relationship and the things we lean on for support, where growth is nurtured in the stillness of the everyday.